Well, I started as a netballer when I was really young. I did that for club and county, and then got involved in tenpin bowling. So I've been doing that since I was 10, so 11 years now. And I've played club, county and for my country. I've won a gold and a bronze medal in the Commonwealth Games in 2017, I think it was, in South Africa, so that was my greatest achievement yet, and I've played in World Championships in Vegas. If you've got a passion for the science side of sports, then just go for it, don't give up. It is a tough course, but you just got to keep going and you will come out with what you deserve in the end. Everyone's so friendly in Sunderland. It's a great place, and when I had a tour around the place I absolutely loved it, so I wanted to continue studying here. All our tutors were really good, were always there when we needed them. I'm hoping to go into physiotherapy, so either do a master's or try and get a placement somewhere and try and work my way up that way.